Hi there, Tech Grandma here. Did you know that activating developer mode can unlock hidden features on your Android device? Android's developer mode is used by developers to be able to test their apps before submitting them to the app stores. However, there are some useful things the average user can do in developer mode. Before I show you how to get into developer mode, let me just say that there are many things you can do in developer mode that can be harmful. First, if your phone is still under warranty, turning on developer's mode may void the warranty. Second, if you change the wrong settings in developer mode, you could brick your phone, making it a beautiful piece of glass that cannot do anything. Third, it's sort of a dichotomy. It makes your phone vulnerable to malware, but it can also be used to detect malware that otherwise would be undetectable. You should only use your phone on a trusted network with security, password protected, when in developer's mode, especially if you're using USB debugging. So here are the step-by-step instructions with screenshots showing how to enable developer's mode. They may be slightly different based on your version of Android, but if you get lost, you can always search for the term and it'll show you where to go. To start, go to Settings, then About Phone, then Software Information, then Build Number. Tap on Build Number 7 times. This step reminds me of Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz, tapping her heels of her ruby slippers 3 times to get home. You'll probably be asked to enter your security passcode or pattern. Then there will be a notification that developer's mode is on. Now to some of the fun stuff you can do in developer's mode. You can adjust the animation scales of your device. This makes the animations that automatically play from going from one task to another either move at a faster or a slower speed. Other settings that can be changed: setting the background process limits. Background process limits limit the number of processes that run in the background. This can help make system behavior and logs easier to understand. It can also help identify processes that frequently hit the standard limit. This is another area you should only make changes to if you're very knowledgeable. Don't keep activities. This option is used to stop apps that you open from continuing to run in the background, taking up resources. Default USB configuration will help you to connect to a computer and automatically go to files or a different type of connection instead of having to navigate through several menus to get there. You can force resize apps in your developer mode to be able to use them in split screen mode even when the app doesn't normally allow it. You can view memory usage. It's not real time, but it gives you an average over a certain period of time that you choose. The default is 3 hours. You can also set the graphics driver for various different apps. If you have a graphics-intensive app, you may want to change the settings to the system graphics driver rather than the default. It's especially useful for burdensome apps like video and graphics editing software. You can root your device. This is where it gets tricky. When you root the device, you're taking away the software that was installed related to your cell carrier. Doing so will allow you to use the device on any carrier's network. However, it's something you should only do if the phone is out of warranty, and you should not attempt this unless you have a good background knowledge of the inner workings of your device. There is a great video by How To Men about all the settings in developer's mode. It may be a bit outdated though because it's from 2021. It really is pretty easy to turn on developer's mode on an Android phone or device, but please make sure to take precautions when using developer options and don't even go there if you care about your phone's or other devices' warranty. Otherwise, have fun exploring all the available options that can add functionality and performance boost to your Android device. If you found this video interesting, you may want to watch my video about how to set up your Samsung wallet. Tell me in the comments what your experience has been in developer's mode. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.